Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to today's daily market review. It is Wednesday, the 22nd of July, and today we're going to be looking at the NASDAQ 100 stock Mylan. Now, over the last few weeks, Mylan has been the subject of a hostile takeover bid from the Israeli drug giant Teva. Now, since then, there's been a lot of speculation as to the future direction of the price. So we've taken a look at the charts and we're going to give you an outlook as to where we feel prices will be going. So as usual, we're going to be applying our four main types of analysis to the chart, that being momentum, pattern, price and time. So in terms of our Elliott wave count, we have 5 waves to the upside. So we can see our first, second, third and fourth, and now we can see a B equals CD correction unfolding. Okay, so for those of you that trade the AB equals CD pattern, you will know that it's a high probability reversal pattern, and generally once we've seen a 100% price move of the AB leg, we can generally expect a reversal once we have received some type of valid entry trigger. Now, in terms of our Fibonacci price zones, we have 3 main zones. The first being from 67.44 to 66.90, and this includes the 100% projection of the AB leg. We also have our second zone at 65.91 at 65.29, and we also have our third zone at 63.18 at 62.88. Now, what makes this a very interesting case is not only do we have our high probability Fibonacci price zones and our AB equals CD pattern, but on top of that, if we include the market structure and the fact that the reversal pattern has exceeded our typical Fibonacci time window for retracement, but we also have a harmonic pattern that has emerged within the final swing into our Fibonacci price zones, and this will help to add probability that a reversal will indeed unfold. So where and what is this harmonic pattern? Well, if we take a look at the 2 swing highs that developed during the final swing, and we draw our harmonic pattern, we can see that we have a butterfly zone which enters into our second zone, and then we have a high probability deep crab pattern which has emerged into our third zone. So by looking at the 2 areas, it just simply means that what the graph's doing is plotting where the patterns will end to validate either the butterfly or the deep crab. And again, we can see that they overlap with our Fibonacci price zone. So in terms of the future direction of Mylan, we would want to see on the lower time frame a moving average cross of our 2 moving averages, and then the taking out of a swing high. Now, once we have these 2 conditions, we will then enter into a trade, and then we will plot our target zones, and we will manage our trades accordingly. So as the market is currently trading around 67.23, if the market was the reverse of this point, we'll be looking at a target zone of 79.51 for the 1.272 and the 83.04 area for the 1.618 target zone. Now, obviously, if the market does descend further and does validate the butterfly or the deep crab, our target zones will be different. So it'll be up to you to plot the correct target zone and then manage the trades using trading stops up into these areas. So in a nutshell, we're expecting Mylan to reverse and head towards the upside, currently trading in and around 67.20. We're going to be looking for a minimum price of around 79.51.